folks? I am super duper duper excited. My name is Sean McVay with Sean's Outdoor Adventures, and this is a Bulldog target plus Bulldog target. And I have been really looking forward to getting this for a while now. So I reached out to them saying, hey, I'd love to try out your target. I'm moving from Pennsylvania to Iowa. I gave away my previous target that I mainly used, and I saw these and I wanted to check them out. And they said, sure, send us an address. And I was like, well, can we wait till I move? And so I just got here and they sent it to me. I got it today. The funny thing is I actually have to fly back to Pennsylvania now to drive the rest of our stuff out. So I won't even have time. I literally don't have time because of all the stuff I have to do and then get it on a plane to try this out. But I am super excited and grateful to the Bulldog people who make Bulldog targets. This thing weighs 35 pounds. So the insides are pretty cool. I'm going to do a video on shooting it. Like, I've watched videos on it, and when people, shoot it and pull the arrows out, they come out real easily. There is a strap on the top for carrying, but it is a little, 35 pounds is a little bit heavy. So like if you have a kid, if you have a teenage 12-year-old kid, you may have a little trouble dragging this thing out. If you put it away when you're done shooting. But I am super duper excited. So make sure you check out the video when I do some review shooting into it and see how easy it pulls the arrows out and how well it stops. And thank you again to the people of Bulldog. It says 300 feet per second plus. Crossbows, stopping strength. Easy to carry with one handle. Sturdy and self-standing. Self-healing woven faces. And shootable on both sides. So this side, I threw it down. And this side. So you can shoot on both sides. Yeah, I was just cleaning up and I looked at the card on the top. I didn't even notice before. Lifetime warranty. That's crazy. And awesome. So anyway, folks, thanks again to the Bulldog target people. And I'm excited to be trying this baby out. Stay tuned for that. Until next time, take care and God bless.